Good morning YouTube, what is happening? I'd like to welcome all you garden maintenance junkies to the channel for your daily dose of garden maintenance. What have I got for you today? Follow me.
Today we're going to cut this Escalonia HEDGE and we're taking it right on at the sides and down to about here.
So guys, also today we're going to be hitting this Portuguese laurel. Look at the size of it, it's got massive, just got out of hand. So I'm going to be cutting it to about here, trimming it up and leaving it nice.
Also today we've got this viburnum, again, out of hand. We'll be taking it right back down to here as well. So this is the Escalonia from the other side here. We're going to be cutting that right back in. The Escalonia, because it's new enough, should come back nice and strong.
Welcome to Johnny's Garden Maintenance. So I'm just down the local recycling centre here. As you can see, the van is pretty full. Neil is up chopping away, so I'm down doing a wee dump. Back up, help Neil out, and jobs are good. So guys, just a wee update on the Portuguese laurel. We were going to take it down to our waist size, but the customer has taken a look at it now, and we're just going to take it out completely. So happy days.
Guys, remember, if you're enjoying the content, please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button. Anytime we upload new content, you'll get a wee notification. Stay tuned for more content coming your